What are you doing? Why? Tell me about the bunny again.
Yes, but I'm trying to get something on my elbow.
Do you need me to lick it?
Huh?
Do you need me to lick it? No?
It's inside my elbow.
Do you want me to kiss it?
Yes. Because it doesn't feel good.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I see. I don't see nothing in there.
I'm gonna go back to the chair.
Are you gonna hurry up and eat? Is it still in there?
Huh?
Is it still in there? Does it still hurt? You make the cutest little faces.
Take a picture of the chair.
I already did.
Nope. Take a picture again.
Okay.
There's dirty socks on it.
Where'd you get dirty socks?
Right there.
That must be Lisa's dirty socks.
They are.
Do they stink?
Yes, because I smelled it. Stink. Why? What? Hey! Why not just
The batteries are dead because you guys have the charger.
take a picture of this while I'm doing it? With my hand on it. And with me.
Okay.
After I click it.
It's still not coming on. Must be really dead, huh?
Huh?
So it must be really dead.
It is. So I'm not fake that I'm playing the 21. Hey, wait. Try this side. Nope, that side doesn't do anything. Not on.
How much do you love mommy?
A bunch and bunch and bunch and bunch and bunch.
Is that a lot?
Million, dillion.
Really? Is that a lot?
Yes.
You love me that much?
Uh-huh.
That's awesome. Do you miss mommy whenever
Yeah.
I'm not there?
Yes.
I miss you too. You know how beautiful you are? You
Yes.
know? Who tells
Yes.
you you're beautiful?
You.
Do I?
Uh-huh.
So what are you? Are you mommy's princess?
Yes. Look. Take a picture of my fingers like this.
I am. I'm recording it all.
Huh?
Everything you say, it's all being recorded.
Let me see.
You can't see it till it's done.
Okay.
Are you gonna sing for me?
Yes. Oh, oh yeah. I love mommy to death. Kiss her. I love her very much. I really love her. 'Cause she
Jasmine, it's my turn.
always likes me.
Mom!
She always likes me. And
Stop.
she says-
It's my
tells
turn.
me and
No, it's your turn still.
says-
Why? She finished the race.
You guys are ruining Vanessa's song.
Yeah.
So,
I don't know if you guys are looking at me or not. I'm singing for mommy. Stop.
Don't laugh at her.
You're
She's
making
doing good.
Yeah. When you
I don't pay you enough to
guys
sing
don't
this
like
stuff.
me. How did I do it?
It's not that I don't even pay it at all.
I'm gonna start at the first one.
Okay.
This is the
What's the song you were singing earlier?
So Jasmine, we got a lot of work to do outside. You gotta come. Fine, I'll just have to do it
I
myself.
forgot.
No,
I don't know.
You forgot?
Sweetie,
Uh-huh.
I'm giving you.
When you don't know it's me.
You know Christmas songs?
No.
No? You don't know Frosty the Snowman?
No, I don't.
You don't have any
it.
songs that you're singing at school?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Not for the Christmas program?
No.
Are you done singing?
Yes.
Okay.
Because that was the first one. That's the last one.
Say I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy.